How to lose belly fat with waist trainer. Waist trainers have long been used to enhance women's shapely silhouettes. They instantly create the illusion of a smaller waist, and if used correctly, can eventually lead to a more permanent change or reshape your body. Despite what some might say, waist trainers don't help you burn off fat. It will, however, make your belly look smaller by training it to take on a narrower shape. And as you continue to wear it, it is likely to help you manage your diet because overeating while training with a waist trainer is uncomfortable. That in turn offers the secondary effect of weight loss. Reducing the size of your belly using a waist trainer isn't as simple as buying the first one you find and then getting it on as tight as you can. Here are some tips that will help you guarantee the best results with waist training. Choose the right style. Waist trainers all work the same way, but the shape and curvature vary between styles. If you buy one from a legitimate brand, you can typically seek recommendations about the best waist trainer for your body shape and goals. They should also advise you on how to start and make the most of it, plus how to take care of it. Get the correct size. Of course, waist trainers are meant to be snug. However, they're not supposed to be so tight that they affect your breathing and circulation. The tightest level should be your ultimate goal, unless you plan on buying a different one as you progress in your waist training journey. The right size should also let you start at a comfortable fit and progress in small increments as your waist adapts. Start slowly. The tighter the better is a common misconception in waist training. In truth, immediately wearing your trainer to fit the tightest is not a good idea and can quickly lead to setting yourself up for failure. Instead, start where it's snug but comfortable for breathing and moving around. Then wear it for only 1 hour at a time. As you get used to it, you can wear it for longer and set it tighter and tighter until you achieve your goal. Fix your diet. You can make healthy food choices and eat smaller but more frequent meals. A waist trainer will make it uncomfortable for you to eat large meals. This will help you lose weight and boost your ability to lose belly fat. However, it's essential that you still get the nutrition you need. Train while you sleep. Once you're used to wearing your waist trainer for long periods, you can start to wear it while you sleep. Please set it to a slightly looser fit than you would during the day so that it doesn't disrupt the quality of your sleep. Then don't do it every night if you're not comfortable. Even a few nights a week will help you get the results you want sooner. Waist training can be an excellent way to get a pronounced waist, no matter your body type. However, it's not something that happens instantly, and it's not as easy as some think it might be. Nevertheless, if you have the patience and the determination, you'll surely get the hourglass shape you've always wanted using a waist trainer. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.